Hey everyone, I'm Lynn from Finds of Yesterday, and I sell jewelry on eBay, and I just wanted to share with you some more jewelry I found at another local flea market. So I went to a new flea market, and it's about 2 hours away from me, and I brought a friend, and it was an absolute beautiful day outside, and we thoroughly enjoyed the day, and I came home with about 50 pieces of jewelry to resell, and they averaged about $3 a piece, a little bit less. So let's go through it. I'll show you what I got. So I found some beautiful earrings. Some of these are the Hong Kong and Germany, and beautiful rhinestones. There is some heart thermal set and some glass brown clip and some Disney pierced earrings. Found some brooches. The one on the left, the gold wreath, is a Trifari. There's some Baroque pearls with rhinestones. It's similar to one other brooch I had. Very nice. There's some horses and the moon. The moon was like 50 cents, so I picked it up. But this little vase here I thought was different. It's a brooch. It actually has a pin on the back, and I think it's celluloid. I'm pretty sure it is celluloid. Then we have a Whiting and Davis set of earrings that are still on the original card, which I thought was pretty neat because I have not had that before. This is a lovely brooch and earring set with the confetti stones in it. And we got a diamond-shaped mother of pearl necklace. And besides this one is a mother of pearl set with clip earrings. Really pretty. And then up here we have a very old bar length necklace with, I believe these are green jade stones. And then up here is a real long white chain flower plastic bead necklace. It's probably from Germany or Hong Kong. I think it's Germany. Next to it is these little glass balls. I know they are peeling. It's on this plastic link necklace chain. I didn't know if I really wanted to buy it, but she said, okay, just $1. So I said, okay. I not sure if I'm gonna sell it. I might try selling it. They're little glass balls. I just never seen anything like it. So I thought, what the heck, I might try it. Then we have this green Hong Kong layered necklace with the hook clasp and these two white glass bead necklaces. These are heavy, so they are glass. We have some more gold tone choker necklaces that are popular this year. One of them is Monet, or no, it's Napier. And then the yellow one in between, I believe, is citrine. It is stone and it's heavy. And it's a beautiful necklace, and it is vintage. It has a barrel clasp on the end. Then this fun red and white one is a collar necklace. It's probably about 17, maybe 18 inches. Really cool, fun one. This black and gold one is multi-layered. It's probably 5 or 6 layers and has a hook closure. Then this blue one is just a plastic beaded or acrylic beaded with a fun blue design on it. And then I love the wire wrapped glass white ball necklace in there too. So let's back up and show you the bracelet. Oh, we have one more black. This I believe is real coral. If you see the ends of this, you can kind of see the coral on the inside, but it's dyed black. There's a heart Monet bracelet. And this white beaded bracelet, it's kind of a stretch with the flowers on the front. And I think that that one would go with this white necklace in this box. I may put them together. Then this was an interesting bracelet. It is kind of ribbed, but plastic swirl. It was $4, but I thought I'd take a chance on it. Then we have this black They are glass stones in there. It is a no-name brand. The one next to it with the 2 white balls in the oval shapes is a Sarah Coventry. And the one next to that is either Monet. Yes, them two are both Monet with the beige enamel. The one next to that, the big silver wide one, is Kramer. I was excited to find that one for only $5. Then the next one with the pink moon glow beads on it is just adorable. It's no name brand. It looks like coral to me, but it is no name brand. We have more necklaces over here. The purple one here is a Germany made one, and it does have some corrosion on the chain, which will need to be cleaned up. I'll just probably use vinegar on a Q-tip and just kind of wipe it down. If I put the balls in the vinegar, it will take the peeling off of the balls, so I have to be very careful. Then this red glass one next to it is old. It might even be antique. It might be from the 20s or 30s though. It is just a gorgeous piece. I really almost want to keep it. And of course I found a crystal necklace, and I always pick them up. Here is another big wide gold tone linked vintage. These are all vintage. And then this blue acrylic beaded fun one. That's my favorite color, so I can't resist picking them up. Then these AB rhinestone necklace. It's a cheaper necklace, but it is so pretty with all them AB rhinestones in it. And it's got the hook closure on the top. Needs a good cleanup, but other than that, it's really pretty. And then next to that is a coral. It has confetti beads. Isn't that awesome? That is a necklace. So overall, that's the 50 pieces that I got and spent less than $3 a piece on. Pretty happy with them. What do you think? Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me.